learn how to design a maintenance work order sheet. First we will take a table here, click insert table, insert table, and 6 row enter. Change the color, click here, and type here. Now we will take any other table here, insert table, column 2 and row 4, press enter. And change the color, home, click here and color change. Now we will take the table for label description here, column 4, row 6, and press enter. Select table all and check size. And change the color, row. We will take a table for material description. Press insert table, and column 4 and row 7, press enter. Right, click here, insert table by 5, select all column and change the color. And last, click here, border and shading, page border, select art, click here,